What's up, y'all? Hope y'all are doing well. So, yeah, back with another recap video. So, today I didn't traded any live account or any of my um, funded. Took this paper trade today because I wasn't in the mood to trade live today. So, yeah, decided to do some paper. But as you can see, I went short from that CB right there at 25,590. I'd say, yeah. So I went short from there, and yeah, and on this first attempt, I'll get stopped out, bro. I don't know why. What happened that time? I think there was a slippage problem. Look at that. It never reached to my stop loss order. All right, and I got stopped out. I don't know what the fuck just happened there, but yeah, I went short again from there because I was looking for bearish prices. One or two things can happen, all right? Either I'm going to be very wrong or I'm going to be right. Okay. If I'm wrong, I'm going to just stay out of it. If I see price stops me out and I think it validated one of my level of interest where I didn't want it to see price reach up to, then I'll probably cut the trade and do something else or maybe just do not trade. All right. But as you can see, so I was looking for that. Yeah, I was looking for price to sell off today, and maybe you could see I went in again with 10 contracts right there, and you'll even if I yeah accent that line, you will see that price never went to my stop loss order. But I don't know why I got stopped out, man. I don't know, really, I don't know. And yeah, I was targeting that London sessions low, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Um, and I'm having my stop loss up there because I just saw that I stopped me out without reaching to my stop order. All right, so I was afraid that it could happen again. That's why I was putting my stop loss over there. But yeah, I was looking for price to break that low. Yeah, it is more like um, predicting the swing high or the top taking, you could say. If you expect price to reverse from certain point, you want to see, you want to what my strategy allows me to do is that I can pick the high or the low, expecting that we'll see a short-term swing high broken to the upside or downside. In this case, there was a swing low there, short-term swing low there. You can see that, and I was expecting price to break that, and it did. And you can see we have another CB right there, 1 minute CB. Now I was expecting price, I mean, I was expecting that CB to send price lower, and you'll see price did went down from there a little bit. Yeah, now that we broke the structure, you can at least expect to see some sort of bearish moment, and there you can see the aggressive sell-off from there. So it was more like picking the top, and I did pick the top, all right. And I also posted that on my Discord private community. I told them that that 1 minute CB right there is a sensitive one. We could expect price to sell up from there if there is an SMT at that time. And if you go to your chart right now, you'll see that when NQ was in that CB, there was an SMT with ES at that time. All right. So as you can see, I'm annotating that I'm going to recoup the loss below these lows because the first loss that I took, bro, that was unnecessary, bro. That was really unnecessary. And I wanted to see price sell off more aggressively from there, bro. Because if we are gonna continue lower from that point, I wanted to see some big range candle, but it was I wouldn't say like not not the cleanest price action, but it was a little bit like a more like a continuation, but more of some indicating a reversal from a certain point. It was hurry to get to somewhere with before a specific time. That's why it was uh, stalling time. At the same time, it was gravitating toward that specific level, which was that 5 minute BC. All right, there was a 5 minute BCLC. Let me grab some water, man. Okay, 8:30 just open up. That's the 8:30 candle. And I was looking at an ES at the time also to see if there is any like SMT or if ES is staying above that swing high. Or they're annotating that, bro. I mean, that is frustrating, bro. Like for indices, this right here is the most frustrating thing, bro. And I'll be back from tomorrow trading new evils, bro. Probably I'm gonna trade new evils from tomorrow. Probably gonna buy another futures eval, and yeah, hopefully you're gonna see that. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, I suggest you to subscribe to this because I'll probably be gonna do live once in a week on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you guys soon, bro. And bro, give a thumbs up, dude. Come on, give a thumbs up to the video, bro. Oh, there is a nice push down there. You can see that we just broke another short-term swing low. Now this right here is more than enough, bro. That is more like 597, 570, but more than 25 points right there. That itself is enough for one trade. All right, we didn't even took a huge loss. We took like maybe 40 bucks loss. And you could see we are up like 200 bucks on that. So that itself is enough. And I don't know if I didn't go live with my Discord members today because I was busy with some other stuff. And probably tomorrow I'll be live on live trading with them as well. And if you're not, I mean, if you want to join the Discord server, make sure to check out the link in the description. You can join it, or you see that, you see that, that is the shit, bro. Like I tapped my limit order, but it didn't trigger it. Like what, bro? Now it's gonna trigger it. Yeah, there you go. We cooked our loss. We almost top ticked the price. All right, and you'll see me annotating that when I looked at the 5 minute time frame. That's when I said like if we reverse, then that CB, I mean that BC on the 5 minute is the one that's gonna send price higher before it even happened. All right, and I wanted to see a sharp sell off. All right, but NQ didn't do it, bro. Like it had other plan. So I'm not the one to complain about it, but I was expecting to see something. But as you know, man, I don't mind. Like if you see me annotating that on the chart as well, I don't mind if it stops me out because I recouped my loss, made some profits over it, even if it's demo. All right, it did deliver like how I was expecting it, and it did reverse from the exact point where I wanted it to reverse. So that is enough for me. That proves that my strategy works. All right, and you just gotta stick to your strategy, man. Stick to your model. Just stick to your model, man. Don't like jump from one strategy to another, like thinking, maybe that's gonna be the one. Maybe this is gonna be the one. Shut the fuck up and just stick with the one strategy, dude. Refine it, hone it. I would say hone your strategy. Like Use it on your chart at least for 3 months. Journal it, see how it works. Then you'll know if even if it's for you or not. Just take one strategy, pick one, work with that, dude. Don't like jump from this to that. If you keep on doing that, you're never gonna make it, dude. It's just straightforward. I'm just saying it's straightforward, bro. Like, stop doing that. All right. As you can see, bro, I annotated that as well on the chart. So if we go up, it should be happening from this point. It should happen from this point. What I can expect to see, but I kind of want to see it roll down. All right. So as I told you, I wanted to see lower prices. All right. If I'm right, it's probably going to go lower. But as you know, NQ went higher from that BC, and if it's gonna be bullish, we don't want to see these lows been taken. All right, and exactly that happened today, bro. We didn't lose anything today, to be honest. So I didn't trade it live today because I wanted to see what's going on, bro. I'm like trying to figure this shit out, like what is going on with the market these days. Gold's been pushing up for the last 2 weeks, bro. No down close candle on the daily time frame. What the fuck is going on? I do not understand anything right now. And yeah, there we create that swing high. Once I saw that swing high right there, I mean, once I saw that my bad chat, that's the swing low. All right, so once I saw that swing low right there forming within that BC, that's when I know I'm gonna get stopped out. You'll see me getting stopped out. And price reversed from that point and went up, took out the daily high, not the swing high, but it took out the daily high. However, the session was really nice. Well, it did present really nice setup today, I would say. So yeah, tell me in the comment if you uh, got something, some good setup. Also, there you go. There you got stopped out, and yeah, I'm done with that. You will see. That's what I just told you. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I mean, enjoy this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. Love y'all.